guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to draw Captain America from Avengers. As you know, he is the captain. I am drawing with a black pen so that it could be visible and be more detailed. So let's start. So first draw the head like a round egg ball, like a shape like that. Make sure the eyes should be small and need to be visible. Now let's draw the hand. Make sure the hand which you are drawing is a little calm. And the shield should be oval and perfect round, so that man, make sure to draw the shield big so that the star could be big. You can keep how many circles you want. You can use different color pencils, but I am shading with the pen which I have. Subscribe for more Marvel drawings like this and check out Spider-Man and Iron Man drawing in the description below. Now let's draw his legs. As you can see, I think it is looking same. So as you can see, our Captain America is finished. Now let's name them. So before we do it, thanks for watching this video, and I am very glad that you watched this video, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to RN Facts and Nuts. Until then, bye bye.